Good morning, students. As you have watched how to access Sora, our online reading app, I wanted to show you your first assignment that you will have, and that is going to be to read one of the books that is available in our collections. So if you take a look here, click on, once you've gotten to this screen, you're at Washington County School District, you're going to click on the Collections tab. And then once you've done that, you're going to see here that there's a Classics section. It has 211 books. I want you to click on that. And then once you're here, you can search, and I want you to search for Uncle Tom's Cabin. Okay, then once this book comes up, I want you to borrow it. All right, this is going to be the book that we are going to read over the next couple of weeks, and I will give you a chapter list for every single week as far as how many chapters you need to be reading each week and when we can have the book done. I will also have little assignments that go with the book, quizzes to check your understanding as we go, and we'll also have little discussions in our online Canvas class. So make sure that you check that weekly or, every couple of days to make sure that you're staying up to date. You're welcome to send me a message on Canvas as well if you have any questions. So in order to do this, you're going to click borrow, which is what I'm going to do. And then you can just basically start reading by swiping, just as we said. Now understand that this book is written back during the time of during slavery, and so some of the language is something that is sensitive, but also understand the timing with it, and remember that it is a sensitive topic, but we need to learn from our history. So make sure that you follow along. I hope you enjoy the book, and we will check your understanding as we go. Look for your assignments in Canvas. Have a great day.